Hi, I'm Atanu. Here you learn how to solve the exponent of the polynomial problem at difficult level from the quantitative aptitude for the competitive exam. There are different methods to solve these type of questions, and maybe it will take a lot of time and lot of steps also, but here you solve it one or two steps. Before that, we should have clear concept of exponent of polynomial theorems or the rules. That is, if I told you that a to the power m, and here it is root is n, so you can write as a to the power m by n. And next, if it is x to the power n and a x to the power m, then also apply this same formula or rules, that is a to the power x to the power m by x to the power m, and this division also apply one exponent rule, that is a to the power m by a to the power n we can write as a to the power m minus n. So we can finally write as a to the power x m minus n. So this concept we apply for each part of this question. If I consider this part, we can write as 9x to the power 10, and here we write consider only 4. Considering this part, only under root part we consider for this 9x to the power 10, and next we write x cube, next we write x square, next we write x, and last one is one only roots, and finally we can write as 9x to the power 10 divided by x to the power 4. So finally we can write as x to the power 10 minus 4 is 6. So we can finally write as x to the power 10 minus 4 and continue the same operation, that is minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, and finally only left is one root, and here we get 9 to the power x to the power 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0, and there is only roots remain, so it will be, and we know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1, so we can write as 9 and it is 1, and finally get 9 root 9 and it is 3. And same logic we apply for computing this others calculation. So if we consider 6 x to the power 6, what left? We consider only left part of this, okay, because this calculation is over. So we consider 6 x to the power 6, and here it is x cube, and next is x square roots, and next is x root, and last one is 1 root remain. So finally get 6x power 6 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So last one remain. You can write as 6x to the power 6 minus 6 is 0. So we get 6, and x to the power 0 is 1. So 6 to the power 1 means 6. And for the 3x cube, we follow the same method, that is 3x cube, and here it is x square, and next x, and 1 root remain, and can do the calculation 3x to the power 3 minus 2 minus 1 and 1 root remain. So we get here x to the power 0 and is there is 1, so 3 to the power 1, so root 3, and what's remain 2 to the power x, this is the last. So 2 to the power x and one root is x here, another root. So finally you can write as root to the power x 1 minus 1, and it is 0, so you can write root 2. So we consider all these values, that is 3, root 6, root 3 and root 2, and all relation are in multiplication. So answer will be, or the solution will be 3 into root 6 into root 3 into root 2. So we can write as 3 6 into 6 under root, and it will be 3 into 6. So 18 is the right answer. And actually you can solve it in one line. I can show you how it is possible. First we consider 9x to the power 10. So we can write as under roots, because this part there is no x exist. So we calculate all this value under one root. So first we consider 9x to the power 10. So you can write as 9x to the power 10 minus, you consider only this under root parts. Okay. So 4. So first one is 10 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 and minus 1. And next consider 6 x to the power 6 and go forward left side of this value. So what remain, that is x to the power 3, so it will be minus 3, and then x square minus 2, and here it is 1, and next one is 3 x cube minus, here it is x square means minus 2, and here it is x means minus 1, and next one is 2, and it is x, and here root x, so we can write as x to the power 1 minus 1. So finally we get 9 x to the power 0 into 6 x to the power 0, next is 3 x to the power 0, and then is 2 x to the power 0. So all x to the power 0 of x, we know that it is 1. We can write as 9 into 6 into 3 into 2. So here it is 9 into 9. What remain? It is 4. So 9 into 2 square. So it is 18 is the answer. Okay. So this calculation you can also do mentally, and in one line you get the answer, one or two line maximum, and hardly it will take 30 second to 40 second to solve this kind of problem. Hope the concept is clear. If this kind of video is helpful to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends and family. Press the bell icon so that you get the all notification. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.